this course. Now, scholars use a 3-volume translation of the different biographies written about St. Francis, but they run about $125, and I figured you didn't want to spend $125 on these books. So instead, we arranged for the university to purchase electronic versions of this, and I'm going to show you how to access this. So go to your portal account, and you'll log in. And you want to pull up this screen that shows where your Moodle is, and then you're going to go to this little button right here that says Connect to Library Databases and click on that. And this will open up a whole bunch of resources that you can get at the library. Now, our target here is this Intelex Past Masters database, but it's kind of quirky right now. So the first thing you actually have to do is just real quickly log into one of the other databases. It'll pass along your password, so you can open it, and then you can actually close it right back down again, and then you'll go back to this Intelex Past Masters database. And here, this will pull this up, and you'll go over to the left, click on Titles, and what it will do is it will pull up a number of the texts that we're going to be working off of. So we're going to start with Francis of Assisi's early documents. We'll be doing a little bit of work from Bonaventure, a little bit of work from Occam. I'm not going to touch SCOTUS so much. That might be for another class. But you'll click on St. Francis of Assisi, and over here you'll see Francis of Assisi early documents, Volume 1, Volume 2, Volume 3, the supplemental stuff in Latin, but you probably don't want that. So let's say that you're going to read the 1C, Thomas of Solano's early translation. You'll click on this particular volume. You click on, you forget the font or the front matter, and then you can get, for instance, let's say you wanted to do, since we're going to do the Life of St. Francis by Thomas of Solano, you can click onto this. And then actually what it'll do is you can go down by chapter or whatever, but you'll also notice that I've given you page numbers, so that if I say to read something that's on page 569, once you open it up you can just print 760 or 569 and go, and it'll take you to that particular page. So this is how you navigate through all this stuff. You can, if you'll notice, let me go back here. The other thing you can also do, you can go to a print view so that you can print it as a PDF, for instance, if it's easier for you to read it that way than on a screen. So this is another way to do that as well. So I hope that you'll find this a much more accessible way of reading, and certainly a lot cheaper way. You should be able to access it on an iPad or an iPhone as well.